Computer game integration. What is computer game integration? It is the implementation of games into classroom to meet the desired learning goals. Integrate ICT in education. ICT in education increases participation and knowledge retention. When ICT is integrated into the curriculum, students will be more engaged in their work. This is because technology provides different opportunities to make teaching and the same things in different ways more interesting and enjoyable. Due to increased participation, it is said that they will be able to retain knowledge more effectively. These are some examples of gamification platforms. So next, ICT integration lesson plan. So our subject is Earth and Science. The topic is the phases of the moon. The level that we focus is the 5th grade. The gamification we will use is Heads Up and Kahoot.
We are using the SAFE model lesson plan. We are choosing topic phases of the moon. For the first part of the lesson plan, the objectives in which the following are the expected result from the pupils with at least 85% accuracy. First is to identify the 4 main stages of moon phases. Next is to describe each stages of the moon, and lastly, arrange the phases of the moon. The next part is the subject matter, which consists the topic, references, skills, materials, and values integration. The next part is the procedure, which includes the stimulating activities, the actual discussion, the follow-up, and lastly, evaluation.
Heads Up game is likely a Pinoy henyo in Filipino. The students will be divided into 2 teams, and the students will choose representatives. One person who holds up the phone or a chart to their forehead with a screen or chart facing out. Then the other players on their team read the answer on the screen or chart and try to give the player clues about what it says, without directly saying the answer, spelling it out, or using words that rhyme with it. The player who holding the phone guesses the right answer, they tilt the phone down toward the floor to score a point.
So next,
Kahoot is an online game-based learning platform. It is allowed teachers, organizations, and parents to set up fun web-based learning for others. Kahoot can also be used as fun trivia activity to do with members of your organization or coaches to use with their players about the sport or just a series of fun questions. It is a game-based learning platform used to review students' knowledge for formative assessment or as a break from traditional classroom activities. It is among the most popular game-based learning platforms with 70 million monthly active unique users and used by 50% of US K-12 students. Studies reported that classes using Kahoot, especially those that use it often, saw increased attendance, student participation, engagement, motivation, as well as interaction between students and teachers and student and peers.
ICT integration in education improve students' learning. They engage more in their work. It was not until later on in my studies that the term Information and Communication Technology, or ICT, materialized before me and opened my eyes to what this meant in education. The term ICT simplified means any technology that has to do with information and communication. Educational systems are adopting new technologies to integrate ICT in a teaching and learning process to prepare students with the knowledge and skills they need in their subject matter. In this way, the teaching profession is evolving from teacher-centered to student-centered learning environments.
so that's all. Thank you.